Iyan ay mga ilang tinapay na nagpasalamat sa iyo, kami ay ipanata sa iyo mga tutunan na nagkasalig. Magbuha ka magdala ng pagkawa sa iyo, ay hindi ka mga pagkawas ay natuyan para sa iyo. Pusat na kasultanan ay gawin para sa iyo at para sa tanan. Sa kapatulan sa pangsala, ibuhanin namin sa ako at tuhanan. Ilagdanan ng mga misteryo sa
look at this. Oh, wow. Oh my God. That's so nice. I saw a little cave here and they told me it's for baptism. Oh. Where are these the original bricks? Oh. Original bricks. Wow. Okay. I'm not Catholic, so I've never been how about if as old as me?
Dito binibigyan kami.
So gaganan ka. Alright. So dito yung bata. So baby. So yeah.
Ito yung mga original na ito eh.
Hmm?
Hindi pa ito na napalitan.
That's the original. Oh. It's same with the other church. Gimbal? Miagaw. Miagao. Yeah, I've been there. Kagaling ko lang kanina. It's the same. From the Riverstone, tama? It's a Riverstone. It's the same. Swerte niyo kuya, may mga ganito kayo. Wow.
Tagalog sila siguro. Tagalog dyan.
Yung
Mga
that.
ano eh.
Ano po tawag doon? Reconstruct na.
Oo,
Na-restore na yung iba, no? Restoration project. This is restoration project. Yung iba reconstructed. Kasi wala na yatang construct.
Kasi dinaanan ito ng malakas na libro namin.
Tapos natumba.
Na
And in history or in architecture, itong mga ganitong style talagang matibay ito. Ito. Yeah. Wow. So these are the original bricks. Amazing. 1,500 bricks, guys. 1,500. 1,575 to be exact. And I'm touching it. So people from 1575 were touching this, and now I'm touching it. From now it's 2024. So yeah, that's nice. Thank you guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. Wow. Salamat. Tapos ito yung ibang last, no? So according to John, the sacristan mayor, I'm not sure what's the English of that. But if you know, please comment in the comment section so we would know, because I got no idea. I'm not a Catholic. But yeah, he told me that those are the original bricks and this one too. So this might be, must be your patron, Kuya? 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 This is the patron of, of the church? Who's, Saint? Saint John. Oh, Saint John de? Sagat. Sagot? Sahagod. Sahagod.
Saint John de Sahagun.
Saint John de Sahagon. Okay, Saint John de Sahagon. So, 3 Johns here right now. Yeah. Original bricks. Wow. Kuya, thank you so much. I appreciate this. Thank you. Kala ko di ko na maabutan bukas. Wow. Alright. So, I'm happy. I completed all churches of Iloilo from San Joaquin to Tigbauan. There's one more actually, but it's modern na, di ba? Autumn, it's modern na. In Autumn, you can also stop by over there, but the church is gone already. But the only thing that's old there is, I think, the grotto. Yeah, only the grotto, and the whole church has been unfortunately destroyed. But if you still want to drop by there, it's still okay because the grotto is still there. So yeah, thank you, Kuya. At least nakompleto ko yung mga old churches. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Tigbauan.